I bought this Corsair Strafe keyboard. We're going to replace the keycaps and clean it up. Hey everyone, this is Craig with Squappy's Videos, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on this Corsair Strafe RGB keyboard. I bought this used on Facebook Marketplace, and as you see, it's a little grimy. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually remove all of these keycaps. We're going to go ahead and clean it up with this toothbrush and a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Get this guy cleaned up here. So I don't have any keycap pullers, so we're going to just use my fingers. They should just pull right out pretty easily. So let's get right down to it, shall we? Alright, so now we have the keycaps. Now this keycap set I actually bought quite a little while ago on Amazon. These are actually pudding keycaps. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and just start putting them in. They are 4 cherry switches as I drop the key here. So you see they have the little cross, so they should fit any cherry MX switches, which these are all cherry MX browns. As you can see, they are brown. So we'll go ahead and reverse what we did earlier and actually get the keys on, starting with the escape key here. If you are interested in purchasing keycaps similar to these or even the same ones, I will have a link down in the description down below. That is an Amazon affiliate link. And of course, a link like that does help the channel out. So of course, hit that link if you are looking to purchase some keycaps. So now, if you saw me messing with the spacebar a little bit, it's actually because if you look here, see if I can show you guys, get it to focus. Notice the center is fine, but the cross parts on the outside aren't. So I'm actually going to have to use the original spacebar, and I had to use the original function Windows, and menu key. But overall, the rest of the keys did fit fine. So that is it. So we have all of the keys on here. Let's get it plugged up now. So it does have two USB plugs on it, USB-A. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can get that plugged in here. And yay, we have light. And if you see, it is actually kind of glowing from the inside underneath the pudding keys, and also through the letters itself. So which does give a nice glowing effect here. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and sit here and go through all of the keys, make sure I do have them pressed down hard enough overall, so that way they are all nice and even. So doing a quick one and just kind of going through them quickly here. But for the most part, what we are looking at here, I'm just trying to make sure they are pressed, all pressed down properly. Now, while I'm going through that, let's go ahead and finish off this video, shall we? My name, once again, is Craig. This has been Squappy's Videos. If you did like what you see here, definitely think about subscribing if you haven't already. If you also like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Let me know, though, in the comments down below why you didn't like it. Anyways, definitely go ahead and stick around for more content like this in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.